Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix mouse delay in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your computer search. The first thing that we want to do is we want to search for Device Manager. Open it. Then here find mice and other pointing devices. Double-click on this, and then click on the one that pops up. Then, go to Driver, and then select Update Driver. Here we will search automatically for drivers, and it will show us if we already have the best install. Now, after we have done this, what we're going to do is open up the computer search yet again. Search for mouse settings, go to System Settings here. What we want to do is click on Additional Mouse Options. And the first thing that we want to do is change the speed to fast for double-clicking. Now the next thing that we'll do is go to Pointers and try using none here. So no pointers. And the last thing that we can do is go to Pointer Options, uncheck Enhance Pointer Precision, and change this to all the way to fast. Now click on Apply. Click on OK. If you don't want to use this, you can obviously reduce the speed here, and that's how you do it. So that's basically how you can fix mouse delay in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.